have like several articles. Macaulay College is a new one. Macaulay is doing high-end programs, bachelor programs. And then we have Charlton Brown. You might know Charlton Brown well, right? Yeah, Charlton Brown really focus on the caring sector. And now we have an NIET, and only part of the NIET programs will be delivered here later, like cookery, hospitality, fashion design. We have a market here in Brisbane City. The rest here, we have a refrigerator for them, microwaves for them. A bachelor, yes. For yeah, so it's a little bit mess here. This is for early childhood. Our trainer is preparing the course. So it's these programs are gradually come back to face-to-face, but not yet. Yeah. And this is for aged care and the disabilities. We do have some disabled chairs and pictures. Program is 1 year. We divided the whole program into four terms. I can show you some creations of our students. This is a bag made by our students on term 1. So they can use very simple fabric, do very simple design, and then later they will start to know how to do the clothes, but still simple fabric and simple design. And later they will learn different fabrics like chiffon, silk, different ones, and then make some design here. And on the term 3, they will start to know how to do them evening dress or the a style party dress with some styles and the different fabrics. This is made by our students as well. In this classroom, that one is made by our student. And this is a portfolio of each student. Have a look. If they do have this kind of a portfolio, they can use it for the apply QT and a grade face.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's a pathway.
Yeah. We do have articulation and the package seal you with Billy Blue. Everyone is able to come to this side just to study or talk.